Welcome to our how-to guide on how to use the assessment platform. Today we're going to be talking about measurements. As you're going through the assessment process with your client, one of the next tabs that you're going to be going into is the measurements. As you can see here, we can collect many different data points when it comes to measurements. We can do neck, arms, chest, legs, hips, and once we get the information in here, we want to make sure that we save the information. The next thing that you can see is our weight on the left hand side here. When we click into that tab, we can see that we can enter in current pounds, the goal of the pounds, and we can also do the same thing with current body fat and the goal of the body fat. And these last two widgets here, basically their numbers are going to be calculated based off of how you configure this information as well. I will say that the current weight, we have to make sure that we put this in there because it will not pull from the member's profile. And the reason for that is because as we're doing our assessments, we don't want the actual client going into their profile and updating their weight to then somehow make an update to the weight that you're putting into the system as well. So this is a little bit more of a cleaner way of doing it, and we don't have to worry about any client interference with the particular weight. The next thing you see on the left hand side here is medical. You can enter in different information as far as blood pressure, blood glucose, and resting heart rate. But once again, in all of these tabs, as you're saving off the data, you are able to click on trend data, configure that data to give you different focal points based off of how you want things to show.